Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Method. My name is Richard.
Hello, everyone. I am Jennifer. We are happy to be here with you today.
This is episode number 4. Today, we will learn English fast.
Our topic is ordering food at a restaurant. This is an easy conversation.
Yes, Jennifer. Many people eat at restaurants.
That is right, Richard. Ordering food is very important in daily life.
Our English level today is beginner to elementary. We will speak slowly and clearly.
Please listen carefully. You can repeat after us later.
Let us start with a simple situation. We are at a restaurant.
Yes, we just walk into the restaurant.
Hello, Jennifer. I see a restaurant.
Hello, Richard. Yes, let us eat here.
Good idea. I am hungry.
Me too. Let us go inside.
Hello. This place looks nice.
Yes, it looks clean and quiet.
A waiter is coming.
Yes, the waiter says hello.
The waiter says, "Hello, welcome."
We say hello.
The waiter asks, "How many people?"
We answer, 2 people, please.
The waiter says, "Please follow me."
We follow the waiter to the table.
We sit down at the table.
The table is by the window.
I like this table.
Me too. It is comfortable.
The waiter gives us menus.
The menu has food and drinks.
I look at the menu.
I look at the menu too.
There are many foods here.
Yes, many choices.
I see burgers, pizza, and salad.
I see soup, chicken, and pasta.
I like burgers.
I like pasta.
The waiter comes back.
The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?"
I say, "Not yet."
I say, "We need more time, please."
The waiter says, "No problem."
The waiter walks away.
Jennifer, what do you want to eat?
Richard, I want pasta. What about you?
I want a burger.
Do you want fries with the burger?
Yes, I want fries.
Do you want a drink?
Yes, I want water.
I want juice.
I am ready to order now.
Me too.
The waiter comes back again.
The waiter says, "Are you ready now?"
I say, "Yes."
I say, "Yes, we are ready."
I say, "I would like a burger, please."
I say, "I would like pasta, please."
The waiter asks, "Anything else?"
I say, "I would like juice, please."
I say, "Water, please."
The waiter says, "Thank you."
The waiter says, "Please wait."
Now we wait for our food.
This is a simple restaurant conversation.
Yes, very simple and useful.
We will continue this story.
We will practice more sentences.
Would you like me to continue with part 2? Welcome back. Let us continue our restaurant conversation.
Yes, Richard. We are still waiting for our food.
Jennifer, the restaurant is calm.
Yes, it is quiet. I like this place.
Me too. The waiter is bringing the food.
Yes, I can see the food.
The waiter says, "Here is your burger."
The waiter says, "Here is your pasta."
I say, "Thank you."
I say, "Thank you very much."
The food looks good.
Yes, it smells good.
I look at my burger.
I look at my pasta.
I am ready to eat.
Me too.
I take a bite of the burger.
I taste the pasta.
This burger is good.
This pasta is delicious.
Jennifer, do you like your food?
Yes, Richard. I like it very much.
I like my food too.
The waiter comes again.
The waiter asks, "Is everything okay?"
I say, "Yes, everything is good."
I say, "It is very good, thank you."
The waiter smiles.
The waiter says, "Enjoy your meal."
We say, "Thank you."
Now we eat slowly.
Yes, we eat and talk.
Jennifer, how often do you eat at restaurants?
I eat at restaurants 1 or 2 times a week. What about you, Richard?
I eat at restaurants on weekends.
That is nice.
Restaurants are good for practice English.
Yes, you can talk to the waiter.
You can say simple sentences.
Like, I would like this.
Or, can I have water?
These sentences are very useful.
Now I finish my burger.
I finish my pasta too.
I feel full.
Me too.
The waiter comes again.
The waiter asks, would you like dessert?
I say, no, thank you.
I say, no thank you.
The waiter asks, would you like the bill?
I say, yes, please.
The waiter brings the bill.
We look at the bill.
The bill is on the table.
We check the bill.
The price is okay.
Yes, it is fine.
I say, can I pay by card?
The waiter says, yes.
I give my card.
The waiter takes the card.
We wait for a moment.
The waiter comes back.
The waiter gives the card back.
The waiter says, thank you.
I say, thank you.
We stand up from the table.
We get ready to leave.
We say goodbye to the waiter.
We say, goodbye.
We walk out of the restaurant.
That was a simple restaurant visit.
Yes, very easy and helpful.
We will practice more examples next.
Yes, more food and more sentences.
Welcome back again. Let us continue with part 3.
Hello, everyone. We are still talking about ordering food.
Now, Jennifer, let us practice again.
Yes, Richard. Practice is very important.
This time, we go to a different restaurant.
Yes, it is a small restaurant.
Hello, Jennifer. I am hungry again.
Hello, Richard. Me too. Let us eat lunch.
I see a small restaurant on the corner.
Yes, I see it too.
Let us go inside.
Okay.
Hello. The waiter says hello.
The waiter asks, table for two?
I say, yes, please.
The waiter says, please sit here.
We sit at the table.
The table is small but nice.
The waiter gives us menus.
I look at the menu.
I look at the menu too.
The menu is simple.
I see chicken, rice, and soup.
I see fish, salad, and bread.
Jennifer, what do you want?
I want fish and salad. What do you want, Richard?
I want chicken and rice.
Do you want soup?
Yes, I want soup.
Do you want a drink?
Yes, I want tea.
I want coffee.
The waiter comes back.
The waiter asks, are you ready to order?
I say, yes.
I say, yes, we are ready.
I say, I would like chicken and rice, please.
I say, I would like fish and salad, please.
I say, I would also like soup.
I say, coffee, please.
The waiter says, tea?
You say, yes, tea, please.
The waiter says, thank you.
We wait for the food.
While we wait, we talk.
Richard, do you like cooking at home?
Yes, I like cooking. But I also like restaurants.
Me too. Restaurants are fun.
They are good for learning English.
Yes, you can listen and speak.
The waiter brings the food.
The waiter says, here you are.
I say, thank you.
I say, thank you.
The food looks nice.
Yes, it looks fresh.
I start eating.
Me too.
My chicken is good.
My fish is good too.
The soup is hot.
The salad is fresh.
The waiter comes again.
The waiter asks, is the food okay?
I say, yes, it is good.
I say, everything is fine.
We continue eating.
We eat slowly and enjoy the meal.
Now we finish eating.
Yes, we are done.
I say, can we have the bill, please?
The waiter says, yes.
The waiter brings the bill.
We look at the bill together.
The price is good.
Yes, not expensive.
I pay the bill.
The waiter says, thank you.
I say, thank you.
We stand up.
We get our bags.
We say goodbye.
We leave the restaurant.
That was another easy example.
Welcome back for the final part. This is part 4 of our episode.
Hello, everyone. I am Jennifer.
And I am Richard. We will do more practice with ordering food.
Yes, we will use very simple sentences.
Now we will act like we are at a restaurant again.
This time, we will ask more questions. Ready, Richard?
Yes, I am ready, Jennifer.
We walk into the restaurant.
The host says, "Hello, welcome."
The host says, "How many people?"
We say, "2 people, please."
The host says, "Please follow me."
We sit down.
The host gives us menus.
We say, "Thank you."
Now we look at the menu carefully.
Jennifer, I want something simple today.
Okay, Richard, what do you want?
I want a hamburger.
I want a cheeseburger.
Good choice.
I also want French fries.
I want fries too.
Richard, do you want ketchup?
Yes, I want ketchup, please.
I want ketchup too.
Now let us practice some questions.
Yes, these questions are very useful.
Question 1. What do you recommend?
Yes, you can ask the waiter.
The waiter comes.
The waiter says, "Hello, are you ready to order?"
I say, "Not yet."
I say, "Can you help us, please?"
The waiter says, "Yes."
I say, "What do you recommend?"
The waiter says, "Our chicken burger is popular."
I say, "Okay, thank you."
Now we are ready to order.
The waiter asks, "What would you like?"
I say, "I would like a hamburger, please."
I say, "I would like a cheeseburger, please."
The waiter asks, "Would you like fries?"
I say, "Yes, fries, please."
I say, "Yes, fries, please."
The waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?"
I say, "I would like water, please."
I say, "I would like orange juice, please."
The waiter asks, "Small or large?"
I say, "Small, please."
I say, "Large, please."
Great. Now let us practice asking about the menu.
Yes, sometimes we do not understand a word.
So we ask a simple question.
We can say, "What is this?"
Or, "What is in this?"
Let us practice.
The waiter is here again.
I point to the menu. I say, "What is this?"
The waiter says, "It is vegetable soup."
I say, "What is in this?"
The waiter says, "Carrots, potatoes, and onions."
I say, "Okay, thank you."
That is a good way to ask.
Yes, very simple.
Now we wait for our food.
While we wait, we can ask for things.
Yes, like napkins.
Or a spoon.
Or more water.
Let us practice these sentences.
Sentence 1. Can I have a napkin, please?
Sentence 2. Can I have a spoon, please?
Sentence 3. Can I have more water, please?
Very good.
Now the food arrives.
The waiter says, "Here is your hamburger."
The waiter says, "Here is your cheeseburger."
The waiter says, "Here are your fries."
We say, "Thank you."
Jennifer, my burger looks good.
Yes, Richard, my cheeseburger looks good too.
Let us eat.
Yes, let us eat slowly.
I take a bite.
I take a bite too.
It is tasty.
It is very good.
Now, sometimes there is a problem.
Yes, we should practice problem sentences too.
Problem 1. The food is cold.
You can say, "Excuse me, this is cold."
Or, my food is cold.
Problem 2, you get the wrong food.
You can say, "Excuse me, I did not order this."
Or, I ordered chicken, not fish.
Very clear and simple.
Yes, now let us do a short problem example.
The waiter comes.
I say, "Excuse me."
The waiter says, "Yes."
I say, "I did not order this."
The waiter says, "Oh, sorry."
I say, "I ordered a cheeseburger."
The waiter says, "Okay, I will change it."
I say, "Thank you."
Great. That is how to speak politely.
Yes, polite and simple.
Now we finish our meal.
Yes, we are done eating.
The waiter asks, "Would you like dessert?"
I say, "Yes, please."
I say, "No, thank you."
I say, "I would like ice cream, please."
The waiter says, "Chocolate or vanilla?"
I say, "Vanilla, please."
The waiter says, "Okay,"
Now I eat my ice cream.
and I drink water.
Now we are ready to pay.
We can ask for the bill.
We say, "Can we have the bill, please?"
Or, "Check, please."
Yes, but "Can we have the bill, please?" is very clear.
The waiter brings the bill.
We look at it.
We can ask, "Is service included?"
Or we can ask,
Is this the total?
Yes, simple questions.
Now we pay.
I say, can I pay by card?
The waiter says, yes.
I pay by card.
I say, thank you.
The waiter says, thank you. Have a nice day.
We say, you too.
Now we leave the restaurant.
Richard, that was a lot of useful English.
Yes, Jennifer. We practiced many restaurant sentences.
Everyone, you can practice at home.
You can also practice in a real restaurant.
Start with simple words. Speak slowly.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Yes, keep trying.
This is the end of episode number 4 of Learn English Method.
Thank you for listening with us today.
Please subscribe to the channel.
And follow us for the next episode.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.